Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Beans and pulses craft for toddlers, young adults and everyone. These are very simple and creative pulses crafts. Please watch my full video till end. Beans and pulses crafts is a creative and eco-friendly form of artwork that involves the use of natural dried legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, mung beans, and others. These natural materials are used to create visually appealing designs, patterns, and textures on various spaces, usually on paper, cardboard, or wood. This form of craft is very popular in both educational and artistic settings because it combines creativity with a hands-on experience that also introduces people, especially children, to the variety and texture of legumes. The process typically begins with the base surface upon which a design is either sketched or printed. This design can range from simple shapes to intricate patterns. Once the design is done, glue is applied to specific sections and different types of beans and pulses are carefully placed over the adhesive areas. Because beans and pulses come in many natural colors ranging from earthy browns and greens to black, white and red, they are rich organic palette for creating detailed and textured artwork. The tactile of this craft makes it especially engaging. Handling the small, smooth pieces helps develop fine motor skills in children, while for adults, the repetitive and careful process of placing the materials can be meditative and relaxing. This art form also promotes recycling and the use of natural materials, encouraging sustainability and a connection to nature. Once complete, the finished piece of art has a unique three-dimensional look due to the texture and shape of the legumes. It becomes more than just a flat image, it transforms into a piece with depth and feel. These artworks can be used for decoration, educational projects, or gifts, and they often carry a rustic, earthy charm that is both aesthetically pleasing and meaningful. So guys, I really hope that you like all the craft that I shared with you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching again.